Hello, everyone. Today I am going to share my full day routine with you. You can also tell your daily routine in English like me. If you want any other daily life routine which can help you speak English easily, please tell me in the comment box. I will share it in my next video. Now let's start. Morning. I wake up early in the morning. I feel sleepy and a little tired. Still, I get up and smile. I go to the kitchen quietly. I make tea for my family. This is how my day begins. My husband talks about office tension. I listen carefully and support him. We share small worries together. Morning work. I prepare simple breakfast. Nothing fancy, just homemade food. Everyone eats and gets ready. I wake my children gently. They move slowly and complain. I laugh and hurry them. After they leave, I clean the house. My back hurts a little. I take small breaks. Study time. When the house becomes quiet, I sit with my books. This is my study time. Sometimes the cooker whistles. Sometimes the phone rings. I stop and start again. Afternoon. I cook lunch slowly. I think about gas and vegetables. Middle-class planning is daily. We eat lunch together. No one notices my tired face, but I feel okay. After lunch, I lie down, just for 10 minutes. Then I wake up again. Second study. I open my notebook again. I revise important topics. I practice a little English. Evening. In the evening, I make tea. Children return from school. The house becomes noisy. I help them with homework. They ask many questions. We learn together. Night. At night, I cook dinner. My legs feel heavy. Still, I keep going. After dinner, everyone sleeps. I study on my phone. This time is peaceful. Ending. This is my full day routine. It is simple but meaningful. You can also share your routine in English. Practice daily and speak slowly. If you want more daily life routines, please comment below. I will bring them for you in the next video. Thank you for listening. Good night.